Yo, from a barn out of my mother, I never see Sean Paul. I give nobody nothing yet. Yo, don't tell me say I can't tell a causes. From I know myself, I know Sean Paul. Me never see them man they give nobody nothing. So you tell me say, all of a sudden Kartel come out and now everybody get kind. Yo, dog, you do what? What you do? It's crazy. So all of a sudden everybody get kind, you know. Everybody plan to give it. Everybody want to support them team. No, brother. My youth, I want to left it in the comment section. If anybody ever see Sean Paul give it nothing yet, on raise your hand, left a comment and tell me say, yeah man, me see it with me eye. And send me the link to it. Because I never see the money I give it nothing yet, brother. All of a sudden everybody get kind. Kartel, what you do? Change the game? You make the dogs them run, the dogs them eat now? Yo, Jado dog. They say, Kartel make the man them know for feed them dog them now. Eh? And the people them play with them. Why for the play with? And the people them in the game with them. So you tell me say before that, nobody never knows them to show appreciation to the man them with their own them. Your dogs them. The man them where win with you. The man them where help you win. The man them where bring you forth. Eh? You tell me say, I can't tell her to come out of prison, come show you and teach you them things. Eh? Because this is just something overnight, you know. From where they see a be a posting, brother. I don't know if I me alone and see them things. Eh? But me see Sean Paul make some little post, some little arenas and this and that and Ray and they. Because I say, you know, Kartel, I tell you, say you what him at the dancehall artists we are sell out the arena them, or him we are run the thing. So I feel like them man I don't like that. So what them I do now, them must stay and show them, show Kartel, say, yo, here we go on. We are doing it too. Yeah, hype about this. We can show, say, we can give my up and never see nobody get nothing from Sean Paul yet. Correct me if me wrong, me never see it with my eye. Please, somebody. Correct me if me wrong, because me want to be wrong. Anybody who ever see Sean Paul again, but brother, my youth, out of him or I don't know which one of them are the meaner one. See, I don't know. Get dancer for dance the video and I want to pay the dancer them. I don't know which out of Sean Paul or I don't know which one of them meaner. They not show support to nobody. Monetary wise. They give nobody no strength. Me never see it with my eye yet. So somebody correct me if me wrong. Me want to be wrong. Yo. This is a rumor report, my peeps. And I'm your host, Pillow Talk. You know, this is it. Remember, so we get it, so we tell it.
Alright, we hear a quote to the scene. Get a quote to the say.
Hey.
The people who do more than they are paid for will soon be paid more than they do.
Okay.
Scene?
Yes.
Let's go and open the bag then, please.
Yeah, man. 24 karat and a stainless steel.
Much respect you, isn't it?
Not rocking on my chain.
My crew. Yeah, right away.